Welcome back to Desert Sun Crypto. I'm your host, the Desert Sun. It is August 22nd, 2021. I say that because it's Sunday, and I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Sunday being the Desert Sun's favorite day. Let's get into it, though, and take a look at all the interesting things that are happening, as always, in the crypto space. The first that I want to show is this movement of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin hit its high right around April early this year at just below, or actually, sorry, just above 63,000. And everyone thought this weekend that it was going to hit 50, and it looked like it was going that way, and it seemed to get resistance right at 49.5, still up significantly from where we're at about a month ago when Bitcoin was sitting right at 32. So a lot of movement there with regard to Bitcoin. Now let's jump over to XRP. XRP is sitting right now currently at 120. Definitely up, and I'll get to that here in a second. About 160% since July, between July 30th and the 15th of August. Now, show you take a look at the movement in the last 24 hours. It's been going down, but it's staying right above $1, right below 125. And on the 7-day, we're seeing the exact same thing. Now, moving over to Dark Defender, who I love to look at his analysis, great person to follow on Twitter. He tweeted, "Hi there. As we discussed on the 17th of August, XRP first touched 105 and then jumped towards 125. So now the C corrective wave is expected. This can wick between $1 and 83 cents. After we finalize this correction, XRP will continue for wave 3, which targets $6.39. Enjoy your day." I always love the motivation that Dark Defender gives me. I'm an XRP holder. As always, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. But if we take a look at what he's talking about, XRP is on the EW2, which is a corrective wave, and completed A wave and B wave right now. So here we're looking at August 16th with this retracement. And we're sitting right about here. And what we're looking at and what he's talking about is this third wave with the target of hitting $6.39. Wouldn't that be nice, XRP Army? Going forward, and what he's talking about is ultimately the support that he's drawn out. And so for more analysis from Dark Defender, you can follow him on Twitter at DefendDark. I also want to share this, and this is actually where I got some other information. Again, this is going to sound like gibberish, but I can tell you that if you go to these sites like FX Street, they do a really good job of explaining what they look at in both in real time and looking at trends over time. But with regard to XRP price strikes support at the support frame by 38% Fibonacci retracement at 106, and the psychologically important $1. Ripple defining a symmetrical triangle continuation pattern on the intraday charts, and the golden cross signal looming at the 50-day simple moving average SMA approaches the 200-day SMA. So what does that all mean? Honestly, I don't know. That's why I always watch these videos. Take it away.
Slice through the first and the second hurdle, which comes around 1.09, and we found resistance on the midpoint of this parallel channel, and now retraced, found support here, and now it's going higher again. On the 3-day chart, there's a sell signal from the MRI, but as long as we kind of close above this level here, which comes around the 1.26 level, I think we should be safe to at least retest the 1.77 level and then retrace back to this level to kind of reset the RSI. But anything beyond the second hurdle below, I see a lot of strong consolidation and support levels over here.
So interesting because a second analysis basically is saying the same thing, that things with XRP are moving up, which is great again for everyone in the XRP army, that or anybody that is invested in XRP. However, let's talk about the stepchild that people are just now starting to talk about, which is Cardano. Take a look at the 7 day. Right now, as we speak, Cardano is right at like 258. If we look at the 1 day, look, it seems to be settling right between $2.50 and $2.70. Now, what is going on with Cardano? Now, if we go back and let's see, it was the 13th of August, Charles Hoskinson had, to put in his words, matched the success of Cardano and to be matched against Ethereum, apples to apples, with Cardano coming out on top. If you don't know about Charles Hoskinson, he is one of the OGs in the Ethereum space who pulled out with another partner and started this project under their umbrella. Now, I was reading this article from Motley Fool. I thought it was really interesting to see some of the application of Cardano and basically put in context, what we already know about Cardano. And here's something that I didn't know, but it's pretty awesome. Cardano is cryptocurrency that aims to use blockchain technology to solve real-world problems. For example, it has partnered with the Ethiopian government to track the educational progress of 5 million students on its network. The project will give each student a tamper-proof academic record that could help them get jobs or study abroad. Beyond, investing and watching these numbers go up is the real technology. And I think it's probably one of the more amazing things about cryptocurrency that isn't discussed, because people just think of it in terms of Bitcoin and Dogecoin. But there are so many things going on in this space, primarily with the technology and what it's going to do for the future, which is why I get excited when I see things like this inside the article. Now, the other part was that it broke down just the three components and portions of smart contracts with regard to Cardano's Alonzo upgrade. Now, going back and talking about Alonzo and what it is and this is about the September 12th, where Charles Hoskinson set a date for the long anticipated upgrade to the popular cryptocurrency platform called Alonzo. Now, the three portions that they talk about are the decentralized finance, the DeFi, the non-fungible tokens, which they are the NFTs, and the gaming applications. Let me get to the first two before I dive into the third. With regard to DeFi, this is an umbrella term for financial application that work without intermediaries like banks, for example, offering loans that don't require middlemen. Non-fungible tokens, these unique digital assets are often collectibles like art and sports cards with well-built-in digital signatures containing overwhelming information. And gaming applications, players can own in-game assets through NFTs, and smart contracts can also change the way gaming economies work. This is ultimately the value that I see in Cardano. Why? Because what they're doing is they basically created a refined, impenetrable system for the blockchain. And with regard to Alonzo, once it launches, it will be important to watch how many developers use the system and whether there are any technical issues. Cardano is also hosting its annual summit at the end of September. Keep an eye on that. It will be virtual, so investors can sign up and get the inside track on what's next for the coin. Finally, Cardano has come under fire recently as critics bemoan delays in development, particularly the amount of time it takes to launch smart contracts. As such, not only are the smart contracts important in and of themselves, but a successful on-time launch will also reassure investors that Cardano can deliver. Man, a lot of great things with Cardano, a lot of great things to look at with regard to everything in the crypto space. Always check here for more information. I try to keep this up to date as much as possible, but certainly you can use the resources that I have. I encourage you on your own to do the digging, do the research. If you find something worth sharing, don't hesitate to put in the comments or message me directly. I'm pretty responsive right now. So that is all I've got. Again, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, Monday, Moon Day. We'll kick it off. But thank you for tuning in. This is the Desert Sun Crypto. Look forward to seeing you soon.